Hare Krishna. Brahma Sutra Bhashya. We are coming to end of first pada. So let us have essence of first pada of first Samanvaya Adhyaya. The first Samanvaya Adhyaya with its four padas is composed as mentioned below. The first pada, the Samanvaya, the coordination of Anyatra Prasiddha Namatmaka Shabdas. Anyatra Prasiddha Shabdas, words. The second pada is the Samanvaya, the coordination of Anyatra Prasiddha Lingatmaka Shabdas, words. And third pada, the Samanvaya, the coordination of Ubhayatra Prasiddha, both way, Prasiddha Namatmaka and Lingatmaka, words, Shabdas. The fourth pada is the Samanvaya, the coordination of Anyatraiva Prasiddha Namatmaka and Lingatmaka Shabda, the words. So now let us have a brief of first pada. The first pada is having 11 adhikaranas altogether. These 11 adhikaranas altogether including 31 sutras. First 31 sutras. First 5 adhikaranas, the Panchadhikaranas are the introductory subjects to Vedanta Sutras, to first Adhyaya and to the first Pada as well. So Panchadhikaranas very famous. In those Panchadhikaranas, there is no Shabda Samanvaya, there is no coordination of words topic. Then what? The knowledge of these 5 adhikaranas are very important. Still it is very important for the next coming Samanvaya adhikaranas. That is very important. These are introductory. These are brief. Because before start of Moksha Vidya, the Brahma Vidya, Shama and Damas are the compulsory qualifying eligibility criteria. Those who are having Shama and Dama, then only he will be eligible to go for the Moksha Vidya, for the Brahma Vidya, for the study of Brahma Sutras, for the study of Vedanta Sutras. B. Main identification of Brahman is through his Janmadi 8 works. The Lord is having infinite number of works, but the 8 Janmadi 8 words are important. Janmadi 8 works are very important. Sushti, Siti, Laya, Niyamana, Dhyana, Adhyana, Bandha, Moksha. These are 8 works. These are called as Janmadi 8 works. Brahman is known only through Vedas, Sadagamas, so that is very important. It should not be concluded that Brahman is Avacha. Brahman cannot be explained. Like that we should not conclude, because he is infinitely blissful. As such, the Vedas cannot explain him fully. That's all. That much only. Vedas cannot explain him fully. That means that he is Avacha. He cannot be explained. Like that it is not. However, it is proved that Brahman is known through Vedas only. Brahman is known only through Vedas, Sadagamas. From 6th Adhikarana onwards, Shabda Samanvaya will be provided. So, from Adhikarana number 6, the Shabda Samanvaya will be taken. The 6th Adhikarana is Anandamaya Adhikarana, having 12 to 19 sutras. The 12 to 19 sutras are included in this Anandamaya Adhikarana. The Supreme Brahman is the cause for the creation of the world, bringing the life to the world and finally to liberate the lives. Creation, maintenance, destruction is a continuous process. In this Adhikarana, it is proved that Anandamaya is Brahman, Vishnu only, and not the Jivas, not the souls, not anybody. Only the Anandamaya is Brahman, the Vishnu only. In 7th Antastadvadikarana, Sutras 20 and 21, to be within. Antastadvikarana means to be within. Indra and other Adhidaivika names, Namas, are proved to be of the Brahman Vishnu only. Thus, Antastattva Dharmalinga is proved. Antastattva Dharmalinga within those all deities is referred to be as Brahman only, Vishnu only. 8th Akashadhikarana, Sutra 22. Only one sutra is there. The name Akasha, space, ether is famous and known to one and all. Without space, life cannot survive. Without the space, we cannot take food into our mouth. Space is one among 5 bhuta elements essentially required for the sustenance of life. World is made up of these 5 bhuta elements. This famous Akasha name, space, ether, is coordinated here with Brahman, the Vishnu. Thus, all other remaining 4 bhutas elements, the earth, water, fire and air, are also, of course, the names of Brahman, the Vishnu. Proved. It is proved. Then 9th Pranadhikarana, Sutra 23. In this Adhikarana, the word prana is coordinated to denote Brahman, the Vishnu. Prana Shabda Samanvaya is done with Brahman, the Vishnu. The Taittiriya sentence is coordinated here into Brahman, the Vishnu. The 10th Jyoti Adhikarana, Sutra 24. In this Adhikarana, the famous so-called Jyotihi, the word is coordinated with Brahman, the Vishnu. Light, Jyoti, light. The 11th Gayatri Adhikarana, Sutras 25, 26 and 27. In this Adhikarana, elsewhere famous names such as famous Chandasu, meter. Gayatri word is coordinated in Brahman, the Vishnu. Gayatri Chandasu, Gayatri meter is Adhivedatmaka word. By this, all the words connected with various Chandasu meters, Adhivedatmaka words, are to be taken to refer Brahman, the Vishnu. The last, the 12th Adhikarana is Padantya Pranadhikarana or Antima Pranadhikarana, Sutras 28 to 31. In this Adhikarana, Prana word is coordinated in Brahman, the Vishnu. In previous Pranadhikarana, Sutra 23, the Taittiriya sentence is coordinated to Brahman, the Vishnu. Now in this Antima Pranadhikarana, Aitariya sentence is being coordinated, made Samanvaya into Brahman, the Vishnu. So this is the essence of first pada of first Adhyaya. This ends 42nd lecture. Now onwards we will go for second pada. We will study second pada. Hare Srinivasa, Hare Krishna.